How to quickly plan your Golden Gate assemblies in OpenCloning with its new assembler feature. Go to the Assembler tab and load an existing syntax or use your own. Let's pick Golden Peaks. Pick one of the types of assemblies, in this case transcription units, and you will be shown the parts that go into the assembly, where you can pick plasmids that were published in the original publication. If you want to use your own plasmids for the assembly, click on Add Plasmids, select the files you want to import, which will be automatically sorted into the right category of the assembly. Import them and they'll be available from the drop-down in green. So let's select a few of them, for example an EGFP, a couple of terminators and our favorite backbone, and then when we click on submit, this will request the sequences from Agin to the assembly and will give us the results. So we will have a table. If we click on this eye, we can see the Golden Gate assembly in the cloning tab here. So we see the steps that produce the sequence, and if we want to download the assemblies to our computer, we click on download assemblies and we will get a file that contains GenBank files for each of the assemblies, a table showing each of the produced assemblies, and also JSON files for each of the assemblies that contain not only the sequence but also the history that we can then come to the website and drop in here and see again.